everybody, welcome to HFC. I'm Cindy, and today I'm going to show you our new pistol. This one is our HFC's HG198. This is our new pistol with all aluminum material, and it's expected to be finished and released March of 2020. And also we have another new pistol. This one is our HG194 with new old-fashioned finishing, and this one is also expecting to be finished and released on March 2020 as well. We will have different versions of the pistol. For the HG, it's gas power, semi-auto, and we also have HGA, it's full auto version. Also, we can use CO2 magazine. It will be HGC, and if you want full auto, it's HCA. This is our Flintlock pistol, which is already available in the market. And for 2020 Iowa show, we are going to show our newer model of the Flintlock pistol. Right now we are only showing the prototype. This one is 3D printed, but when it's finished it will be full metal and full plastic. Here's a detail of the other side.